What's up guys, and welcome back to Must Download Cydia Tweak. In this video I will show you a beautiful tweak that will redesign the notification center to a modern and beautiful design. As you see, this tweak will give you this beautiful design of the notification center and also many options to customize the notification center. Now I will show you how to download and install the tweak. First, go to Cydia. Now go to the sources here and add my source. After adding my source, go to the search here. Now here in the search for Quart tweak. As you see, this is the tweak. Now all you have to do is install the tweak. Click modify, install, confirm. I installed the tweak and therefore I will not install it again. After installing the tweak, go to the settings, scroll down and search for the tweak. This is the tweak. The first thing you will do here is activate the tweak from here. As you see, this tweak provides many options to customize the notification center the way you want. You can change the style of the notification center and change the quick reply mode to a split or stack. You can also activate the text filters, bold headers, and customize the continuous corners. From here, you can change the icon corner radius, header font size, title font size, banner icon size, and more. From here, you can edit and customize the media settings. Here in other settings, you will find several other useful options. After changing the settings of the tweak, click Respring to apply the changes. This tweak provides many features to customize the notification center as you want and provides many advantages. This tweak is beautiful and will give you this beautiful design of the notification center. Alright guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.